Hey friends, imagine this long ago. Men used to live on Mars, their home planet, while women lived on Venus. After some time, men began to feel bored and lonely on Mars. They noticed through telescopes that Venus had life, so they built a spaceship and traveled there. When men arrived on Venus and met women, their sadness vanished, and they felt joy for the first time in years. Both men and women exchanged feelings they had never experienced before, and naturally they fell in love. They started living together and working together. However, because men and women were from different planets, their ways of thinking, feeling, and behaving were very different. It took them nearly a year to truly understand each other, their emotions, how they expressed feelings, their likes and dislikes, how they handled situations, and their very different natures. Everything was going well, and they lived happily. Then one day, they decided to visit Earth, drawn by its beauty and possibilities. But when they arrived, Earth's atmosphere had an unexpected effect. They forgot everything they had learned about each other, their differences, feelings, and nature. Suddenly, conflicts arose. Misunderstandings, fights, and sadness started to appear, and many relationships failed. This story reflects real life. Often, we expect the people we love to react exactly as we would. When they behave differently, it frustrates us. Men may expect women to handle things like they do, and women may expect men to react like them. But here's the truth. Men and women are naturally different. The key is remembering this difference, understanding it, and respecting it today. I'm going to share 5 major differences between men and women that are crucial for every relationship. Understanding these can increase happiness in your family and even boost your chances of success in life, because our motivation often comes from the love and support of family. This content is inspired by John Gray's book, Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. One results versus feelings. Men are result-oriented, while women are feelings-oriented. On Mars, men would handle problems alone. They didn't usually share their struggles because solving problems on their own made them feel strong. When necessary, they would seek advice from someone wise. Women, on the other hand, shared feelings with others, not necessarily to get advice, but because expressing emotions made them feel connected. When a woman shares her feelings, men often try to solve the problem immediately, offering solutions or advice, but sometimes women just want someone to listen. When men offer solutions unnecessarily, they feel frustrated, thinking they failed to help. Understanding that women primarily need emotional support, not always. Solutions is critical. 2. Men go to their caves, women talk. Men and women deal with stress and depression differently. Men retreat to their caves, spending time alone to think and solve problems internally. Women usually talk through stress with friends, sharing emotions until they feel calmer. During arguments, men may withdraw, while women continue to express feeling. If men misunderstand this and stay silent, women may feel ignored or unloved. On the other hand, women may feel men are too quiet or distant. Recognizing these natural patterns prevents unnecessary conflict. 3. Men want to feel needed. Women want care. Men feel loved and motivated when they know their family needs them. Providing for and supporting loved ones makes men feel strong and appreciated. Women, however, feel love through care, protection, loyalty, and emotional attention. Modern independence can sometimes disrupt this balance. If a woman seems too independent, a man may feel less needed, which reduces his motivation and emotional investment. Similarly, if women do not express their need for love and care, men may assume they are not needed. 4. Men are like rubber bands. Women are like waves. Men's emotional patterns resemble a rubber band. They stretch away for space, then return. Women's emotions are like waves with natural ups and downs. A man may need temporary distance due to stress, but he always returns to the relationship. A woman's mood may fluctuate daily. Sometimes she is happy and confident. Other times she may feel sad or stressed without any specific reason. Men often try to fix this, but women may simply need support and presence rather than solutions. 5. The points system. Men often think in terms of points. They believe bigger gestures like gifts, financial support, or achievements earn them more appreciation. Women, however, value small gestures, equally hugs compliments, spending quality time, or small gifts. Small, consistent actions build love and strengthen relationships, sometimes more than grand gestures. Now, 5 practical points for men to follow. 1. Focus on feelings, not just solutions. When a woman shares a problem, listen without immediately offering advice. She often just wants to be heard. 2. Let her talk. Talking helps her manage stress. Avoid arguing or giving opinions unless she asks. 3. Show care consistently. Caring demonstrates love, protects support, and be loyal. Understand waves. Don't be frustrated if she remains upset despite your efforts. Be patient. Her mood will stabilize naturally. 5. Value small gestures. Regular small actions like compliments, hugs, and quality time matter immensely. 5. Practical points for women to understand men. 1. Men are result-oriented. Don't expect them to express feelings constantly. Respect their need to solve problems internally. 2. Give him space. When stressed men may withdraw, avoid taking it personally. Let him return naturally. 3. Make him feel needed. Appreciate his efforts, show reliance, and acknowledge his contributions. 4. Understand the rubber band effect. Temporary distance is natural trust. The relationship will return to normal. 5. Small actions matter. Recognize his efforts, even small ones, to encourage continued love and motivation. Relationships thrive when both partners acknowledge and respect differences. Understanding that men and women are naturally different and acting with patience, empathy, and care can prevent fights, increase love, and create a happy, supportive environment. If you want to improve your relationships and create lasting love, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Remember, understanding is the first step to harmony. Thanks for watching.